How to add Presto card in Apple Wallet. Adding your Presto card to Apple Wallet allows you to conveniently pay transit fares using your iPhone or Apple Watch. You can either add a new digital Presto card or convert your existing physical card. Here's how. For adding a new digital Presto card, first is install the Presto app. Ensure you have the latest version of the Presto app installed on your iPhone. Then sign in, open the Presto app and sign into your account. Next is Add Card, tap the Add Card button. And then select Presto in Apple Wallet. Under Buy a New Card, choose Presto in Apple Wallet. Next step is Load Funds or Passes. Follow the prompts to load funds or a transit pass onto your new digital card. After that, nickname your card. Optionally, assign a nickname to your card for easy identification. And lastly, add to Apple Wallet. Tap Add to Apple Wallet to save the card to your device. Please note that once a physical Presto card is converted to a digital version in Apple Wallet, the physical card is permanently deactivated. Most account details, including balance and fare type, will transfer to the digital card, but transaction history will not. It's advisable to download your transaction history before conversion if needed. So that's probably it. I hope this been helpful to you somehow. We got a tough one today, but that was it. Thank you.